The United Nations, commonly known as the UN, plays a crucial role in promoting global peace and security. Established in 1945 after the devastation of World War II, the UN was created to prevent further conflicts and to foster cooperation among nations. With 193 member states, the organization serves as a platform for dialogue, negotiation, and decision-making on issues affecting the world today. The UN's primary mission is to maintain international peace and security, which it accomplishes through various means, including peacekeeping missions and diplomatic interventions. One of the core functions of the UN is to protect human rights across the globe. The UN promotes and safeguards fundamental human rights through various declarations and treaties, such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted in 1948. The organization works tirelessly to address issues such as gender equality, child protection, and the rights of marginalized groups. Through various agencies like the Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights, the UN monitors human rights violations and provides support to countries in need, emphasizing the importance of dignity and justice for all individuals. Additionally, the UN is instrumental in coordinating international responses to global challenges, including climate change, poverty, and pandemics. The organization facilitates crucial discussions and negotiations among member states to tackle pressing issues that transcend national borders. For instance, the Paris Agreement on Climate Change, adopted in 2015, aims to mobilize nations to combat global warming and its impacts. By fostering cooperation and encouraging sustainable practices, the UN helps build a safer and more sustainable future for generations to come. Moreover, the UN's role extends to humanitarian assistance during crises and natural disasters. Through its various agencies, like the United Nations Children's Fund and the World Food Programme, the UN provides essential aid to those affected by conflicts or disasters, ensuring access to food, healthcare, and education. This commitment to humanitarian assistance reflects the UN's mission to alleviate suffering and promote well-being worldwide, regardless of geographical or political boundaries. In conclusion, the United Nations serves as a vital entity in the pursuit of global peace, human rights, and international cooperation. Its multifaceted approach to addressing complex global issues illustrates the importance of collaboration among nations. With its ongoing efforts towards a more just and equitable world, the UN continues to pave the way for a brighter future, reminding us that together, we can overcome the challenges that lie ahead.